If x and y are connected parametrically by the equations and without eliminating parameter, find dy by dx. So here x is equal to a times cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. Both x and y are connected with the parameter t. So here we can consider the parameter t. So let's differentiate x and y with respect to t. So x is equal to a times of cos t plus log of tan t by 2. So let's differentiate this function with respect to t. So we'll have dx by dt is equal to a is a constant and differentiation of cos t is minus sin t plus differentiation of log function is 1 upon tan t by 2 into again differentiation of tan is secant square t by 2 and again differentiation of t by 2 is 1 upon 2. So we can write here a times of minus sin t plus and secant square t by 2 and tan t by 2. Secant square we can add 1 upon cos square t by 2. So let me write here 1 by 2 times of cos square t by 2 and this tan t by 2 I can write it as sin t by 2 upon cos t by 2. So that will go to the numerator. So we can cancel this cos t by 2 one time get cancelled and this is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. So we have sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. So I can write this as a times of minus sin t plus 1 upon sin t minus sin t plus 1 upon sin t. So we can also write this as dx by dt is equal to a times of 1 minus sin square t upon sin t. It's a minus sin square t plus 1 or we can add 1 minus sin square t upon sin t. So 1 minus sin square t is nothing but cos square t upon sin t. Okay, dx upon dt is equal to 1 cos square t upon sin t or we can add a times of cos t by sin t is cot t into 1 upon sin t is cosecant t. So let's keep it aside. Dx by dt is equal to a times of cot t into cosecant t. Now let's differentiate y with respect to the parameter t. So y is equal to a sin t. So y is equal to a times sin t. So now differentiate with respect to the parameter t. So we can write dy by dt is equal to a times sin t differentiation is cos t. So that our dy by dx can be written dy upon dt, dy by dt upon dx by dt. So which equals to dy by dt is a times cos t upon and here a times cot t into cosecant t. So that's dy by dx. So you can cancel a and cot t is nothing but cos by sin. So I can write this as dy by dx is equal to which is equal to cos t upon. So instead of writing cot t and cosecant t, a better thing we can go with cos square t and sin t we can also write. So here I can write cos square t by sin t, that sin t will go to the numerator. So here cos t and cos t get cancelled, so we have sin t by cos t, that is tan t. So dy by dx is equal to tan of the parameter t. so we can give the answer tan t. This is the answer. Okay, thank you.